Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today let's make mushroom biryani. In a pan add 1 tablespoon of ghee, add a handful of cashew nuts, few raisins, fry for a minute, keep this aside for later use. In a deep kadai add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add whole spices, add 2 sliced onions, add 1 teaspoon of salt, saute for a minute or two, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fry for a minute, add 2 green chilies, add 1 tomato chopped, fry for a minute, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. Mix everything well. Reduce the flame to low and add half a cup of yogurt. Mix well. Add 200 grams of baby button mushrooms. Mix well. Add half a cup of water. Check the salt at this time. I am using 1 cube of Maggi. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. On the other hand, I have kept the water to boil. To this, I am adding 1 cup of rice soaked in water for 15 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook the rice till 50%. Rice is 50% cooked. Drain and keep it aside. Add the cooked rice to the mushrooms. Add some mint leaves, chopped coriander, fried onions, roasted cashew nuts and raisins, few drops of kevra water, 2 tablespoons of ghee, add some saffron soaked in milk, cover the biryani with aluminum foil, cover and cook for 15 minutes on slow fire. Mushroom biryani is ready to serve.